So now that the frame has all been fixed together with some higher quality, thicker batten screws, I've levelled the frame all out, as you can see here in front, gone through and made sure that there was no other grass in there, especially couch grass that is really notorious for taking over and really hard to get under control. Remove any rocks in there and give the soil a bit of a till as well, because it was quite compacted. So I've got some growing soil here that I'm going to be then adding in to this mix here, feed it with a bit of pelletised manure. So when you're planning out the crowns, it's a good idea to create a slight mound for the crown to sit on and fan those roots out across down into these trenches. So having the crowns, these top parts of the crown sitting on the top of the mound, and I'm going to look at top dressing over the top. It's a good way to prevent the crown from rotting out from excess rain and moisture. So that's probably one of my biggest tips that I can look at providing there for people looking at planting out new asparagus crowns. I've got the 4 mounds that I've created, and I'm spacing them roughly about 30 centimetres apart. So I've got 5 crowns. I have got a few extra bonus crowns as well that come in the bags. So I've started on the mound down here. Let's go and have a look down here. So as you can see, you've just got that crown, the top, that's just poking above the mound here. I've kind of massaged the crown down and to cover and sink the roots in. Still trying to create that mound to create the free drainage to the bed here as well. So the roots will work their way down and the crown will always stay on top. And then I'm going to come through and top dress over here. Having a closer look at what a crown looks like for the asparagus crown. So this is quite a good, healthy, thick 2-year-old crown. You can see those little growing shoots right there, just here where my thumb's pointing. So that's quite a good, healthy looking crown there to identify what one looks like. You want to be really careful around these tips here. Be careful that you don't knock them off, because they are quite fragile.